Hello guys, welcome to Winnie Hairstyles. How are you guys doing? I want you guys to please check out this cute short natural haircuts that offers that artistic approach to your classic haircut. This haircut features those precise graduation and clean lines. And one thing about the styles is that they create that beautiful looks while it's still giving you that protective styling option. You can see how the style really bears cultural hair significance, as it really shows the natural way to really define your coils, and it pays that homage when it comes to traditional African haircuts. So the styles are shaped, sometimes you use the comb or use the fingers, across the scalp, and you can see how they are often created to give you that glamorous structured coils that we want. So this is a protective style that is modern and help to balance your health with style. So I love the style because it really maximizes the natural coil bounce and shape while it's still blending classic structure and textural freedom. This is so cute and lovely. I love the style because it's low maintenance haircut and is versatile. It's a style that will help to soften your look and maintain the edge. So it's a style that will give you that youthful look and visual accent with that dramatic effect every woman needs. So please guys, watch this video to the end. You're not going to regret watching the styles, because we've carefully selected some stylish and elegant haircuts that will really create textural interest in simple cuts. Okay, don't forget to subscribe your first time here, and let me know your mind on how you feel about the cuts in the comment section below. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.